My average lifetime value of a client is a little bit over $2,000. Today I'm going to show you how I turned a potential no-show, somebody that was not showing up to the sales call, into closing them in 15 minutes. And then if you stick around to the end, I'll show you how you can get access to the 30-minute onboarding call where you can see click by click how I get access to the things I need and set them up so that we can start getting them Google reviews. They'll stay forever and pay us $100 to $300 a month for years to come. Like I've said before, sales is not my strong suit by any means, but I tried not to edit this video too much so you can see the pauses, see the tonality, and hopefully learn something from it. Enjoy. This is Layla. Hey, are you having issues getting on the Zoom meeting? This is Clay with Review Harvest. Okay, all good. You said you're on a, did you say you're on a boat? Oh, huh, that's awesome. Yeah, for sure. Is it Leela or is it Leola? Okay, so do you want me to email it to you again, the Zoom link? Awesome, I got you joining here. All right. I'm gonna hang up the phone now and I'll see you on the Zoom. Hey Doc, how are you doing? Let me just, I think you're muted.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me
Perfect.
now?
Perfect. Yes, I hear you
Persistence
great.
is important, huh?
What'd you say?
I say persistence is key.
That's right. That's right. Don't quit. Don't quit. Never give
Yeah.
up. We made it.
Okay,
Well,
great.
how's your day going so far?
It's going really good. Just trying to knock out this TTDT list. Things to do today.
Things to do today. I got you.
We call it
Awesome. Cool,
TTDT.
cool.
TTDT.
T, got it. Things to do today. Got it.
Yeah.
Well, how's it going so far? Are you knocking it out? You making progress?
According to me, not according to my husband.
I hear you. I hear you. Good stuff. Well, thanks for taking the time and hopping on. I think, how did you hear about Review Harvest in the first place? Was it from somebody posting in a Facebook group, or did you see it on an ad, or?
Probably Facebook. Somewhere on Facebook or Instagram.
Gotcha. Okay, cool. Gotcha, gotcha. And this is y'all here in with 123 reviews?
Yes.
Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Cool, cool. So yeah, tell me about and what y'all do.
So I'm a trichologist. Are you familiar with the tricho? I'm a hair loss specialist. So we do
Okay.
non-surgical hair restoration. We have a hair restoration and wellness center. So
Okay.
we basically just try to get people their hair back without surgery and drugs. So we're holistic.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Awesome.
and we also we have a wellness component, so we help with weight loss and stuff like that.
Okay. Cool. Awesome. Good stuff. Well, what are y'all doing to get Google reviews right now?
Man, we been in 123 like forever and a day. Just my front desk girl, when it hits her, she asks for them. It's nothing consistent. And then, if I'm not
Yeah.
mistaken, I paid these people called Blue something about 4 or 5 months ago. I just don't think it ever happened.
Was it Bird Eye or Podium or
Mm-hmm.
Bird Eye?
But
Well, are they still charging you, or they
well,
still
it
charging
was
you, or are
it
you
was an
able to
add-on
cancel it?
to another program. I just even forgot what it was. I'm gonna pull it up, but I paid them the initial part. It was some kind of add-on to this existing marketing I'm doing.
Mm-hmm.
So I just didn't see where they ever did
Mm-hmm.
anything with it.
Yeah, gotcha, gotcha. Yeah, no, I saw y'all only have a couple of reviews in the last couple of months,
Yeah,
so
it's
yeah, definitely could
crazy.
be
That's all.
improved. But
Mm-hmm.
so right now your front desk lady is just asking when she remembers. It's just nothing super consistent.
It's nothing consistent. I brought these little play cards. You scan it. We use that. It's just nothing
Mm-hmm.
consistent. I've even thought I incentivized my employees, but I just recently hired a manager, so hopefully she'll be able to stay on top of it. But it's
Mm-hmm.
just nothing
Mm-hmm.
consistent.
Gotcha.
Excuse me.
Okay. Okay.
Mhm.
And what do y'all use? Like, what do y'all use for your booking system or for your scheduling or
Square,
something?
square.
Square? Okay, cool. Awesome. Good, good. And do y'all collect like every time somebody books and every time somebody, works with y'all, do y'all collect name, email, and phone number?
Yeah, because in order for them to book with us, we have to have that information.
Gotcha. Okay, perfect. Perfect. And how many previous customers do you think you have saved in Square? How many people do you think you
Combined,
worked with?
I have to turn this off. A second, it's gonna keep ringing. Uh, I mean, combining my Square database, probably a couple of thousand people, but some of them are so old. So currently, maybe a couple of hundred.
Okay, gotcha. Like a couple thousand all time, but probably a couple hundred more active.
Yes. Hmm.
Okay. And how many new customers do y'all get per month, do you think?
I need more. I'm just about to. In fact, after I get off the call with you, I'm ramping it up. So we may get about 10 new patients a month. 10 new, no,
Okay.
about 12, maybe 12 to 15 new clients a month.
Okay. Gotcha. I hear you. Um, yeah, well, I mean, with the amount of previous customers that you have and with with the obviously y'all provide a great service already. You can see that from the reviews. If you just scan the reviews for a second, people can obviously see y'all do a great job. And so I think y'all are right there. It's just a matter of consistently asking and having a consistent process and system set up to actually request those reviews and get them, right? Does that sound about right?
Yeah. Sometimes if they're less than
Gotcha.
favorable, like 3 or 4, 3 stars, we'll just try to negotiate the problem. We probably in the last 2 years we probably had about 4 or 5 3 stars that we were able to negotiate with. But that's still, I guess, percentage wise, pretty good.
Yeah, no, for sure. Definitely. Um, Well, yeah, no, I mean, we could definitely help you out. So we're Review Harvest. All we do is help local business owners get more Google reviews. And we just have a process of requesting the reviews. I'm gonna show you kind of how we do that. So
Are you
we
kind of
do
like
three
bird?
things.
You like bird's eye?
We're like Bird Eye, in the Google review sense. Bird Eye has really like branched out and they're like, oh, we do everything and anything for anybody, and we've just stayed really focused on, hey, we just get local businesses Google reviews.
Okay.
So we're very, very focused on Google reviews. And so we do three things. We request reviews for you, we respond to reviews for you, and we repurpose reviews. And so kind of the first step in our process is we send out what we call a review reactivation. So we're going to go into Square. We're going to grab those recent customers, maybe 300, 400, 500 previous customers, and we're going to send out a text and email to them requesting a review. And normally we can get anywhere from 5 to 15% of that list to go ahead and leave you a review to get you a big jolt in reviews just in the beginning. So you might be sitting on 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 more reviews just in the first month of working with us, right? And so when we request reviews, what we do is we request these reviews with a personalized image. So what that looks like is this. Let's say that y'all worked with Carly or John or Sally or Mary Margaret. You can see that we can auto-populate their name on a photo of you or your team to kind of get their attention, right? So we can send an image to them via text and email that has their name on it. So if you worked with Sally, Sally's going to get a text with Sally's name on it. And so that what that does is that gets her attention, and no other review companies do that, right? And so it gets their attention, and once we have their attention, we hit them with a no-brainer offer of we donate a meal to Feeding America for every single review that our clients get. And so that's something that we pay for, we track, we manage at Review Harvest. Anytime you're getting a review, we're donating a meal to Feeding America, and we just extend that offer to you so that you can get more reviews, right? And so that's the request portion. What we'll do is we'll get integrated with Square. We'll get integrated with Square. So anytime you're adding a new client, we're requesting that review automatically for you. So you don't have to worry about anything manually happen. Like you don't have to worry about it not happening. You don't have to worry about people being reminded to add somebody or whatever. We'll just integrate with it automatically. So it's just happening automatically in the background. And so once you get that review, we'll respond to it in a personalized manner using their name and using context from the review. So you or somebody on your team doesn't have to worry about responding to all those reviews that we get y'all. And then also we'll turn all those 5-star reviews into social media content and post it onto your Facebook, Instagram, Google business profile with your photos, your logo every time you get a Google review, a 5-star review.
So you post it in several places? Because right now, if some people leave us a Square review, it just goes in Square. It's like a cave; nobody sees it. So yours are different, in the fact that, how would it be different?
Yeah, so ours are different in the fact that we only direct your customers to leave a review on Google. The reason being is because Google gives you the most bang for your buck when you're getting a review, right? Because now not only are you getting more reviews, but you're going to start ranking higher on Google because of all those reviews. And then when people are considering who to work with or who to visit for their hair loss treatment, they're going to be able to see all of your positive reviews and know that you're the company to work with, right? And so we only request reviews on Google and then to Google. And then once you get those Google reviews, we basically repurpose them and turn them into social media content to then post social media posts on your Facebook, Instagram, Google business profile, etc.
You
So
do
that
the
all those
posting?
people that follow you can see. Yeah, we
You
do
do the post,
posting for reviews. Yeah, exactly.
so
We
it won't
create
be my
them, we
staff
create the
have to do
posts.
it. It's not my staff that'll have to do it.
No, we
Okay.
do it for you. We do everything for you. We turn those 5-star reviews into social media posts and post them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
So how's all that sound to you so far? Does that sound
Yeah. So what if it's a 3-star review or 2-star?
Yeah, so what we can do is we can set up a review filter page to where when somebody clicks the link to leave a review, it takes them to a page which says, "How was your experience with the hair restoration clinic?" And it's going to say green smiley face, yellow straight face, or red frowny face, right? If they click on green smiley face, it takes them directly to Google because they want to leave a good review. If they click on yellow straight face or red frowny face, it takes them to an internal page to leave internal feedback that's just emailed to you and not posted anywhere.
Oh, great. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. And so how it works is we have a 14-day free trial where we can set you up on the review reactivation, where we start getting you some reviews before you have to worry about paying us, right? And then after that, for your business, it'll be $99 per month. And if you're not happy for any reason after the first 30 days, we'll just give you your money back.
How many social media posts you give? It depends on how many reviews we're getting.
Yeah, so we can post it every single time, like every day that you get a review, we can post it automatically, or we can just post one a week or whatever, however many you want us to post. But it's going to be based off of how many reviews you're getting, right? So as long as you're getting reviews, we can be making posts.
That's pretty neat though, because we do like that. That social component where you're saying that you give a free meal to someone. That's really good because we want to tie
Hmm.
more of what we're doing into building water wells in impoverished areas. So I like that.
Cool. Hmm.
Okay. So that what's your special right now? A 14-day free trial. Do you have
Yes,
an
exactly.
affiliate
So you get a
program?
14-day free trial. Yeah, so anybody you send my way, you can either get a free month for, or I can give you 30% of the recurring commission. Do you know a lot of other business owners?
Yeah, I have a little school I'm putting together, but I know other people who rely on me for marketing. But if it
Yeah.
works for me, I may have at least 100 people. I probably would
Yeah. Yeah.
offer
No.
30% because I like residual.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. No, we'd be more than happy to give it to you.
Okay. All right. Okay. Let's move forward.
All right. So the first step is just to go ahead and book an onboarding call, and the only thing required to do that is just to go ahead and get a card on file. So do you want to put this on a credit or debit card?
It'll be a credit.
All right. Perfect. Perfect. And I know we've got a little bit of a holiday week here. Happy Thanksgiving. So
Thank
do you
you.
have any time where we can get onboarded today or tomorrow? I mean, tomorrow or Wednesday, or do you want to
I'm
go
off.
get
I'm
onboarded
off
next week or
today.
Wednesday?
How long does the onboarding take?
It'll take about 30 minutes normally.
Never put off to tomorrow what you could do today. I'll do
That's
it.
right. That okay, so I've got today. Would you be able to do it today at say 4? You're in Central Time, correct?
Yep.
My next availability is 4:30 Central Time. Would that work?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, perfect. Never put off tomorrow what you can do today. I love it. I love it. I wish I had more clients like you ready to rock and roll.
Yep. Indecision is stifles productivity.
That's right. You got all the one-liners. I
That's
need
just
you
the
around
way.
as my
I mean,
my
I'm just
hype
talking
my hype
about.
person.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna put you down for today at 4:30, and we will get you set up and rocking and rolling. That's gonna be a Zoom call as well. You can just join on your computer. I'll walk you through just getting everything connected, and we'll be able to start getting you some reviews.
You may have to call me 5 minutes before. The boating life is different. You lose track of time.
Okay. Yeah,
All right.
gotcha.
Thank you, young man.
That's awesome. Have
Okay.
a good one. Talk to you later.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to watch the 30-minute step-by-step onboarding call where I onboard this exact client and get access to all the things we need to get them set up and get them launched in less than an hour, click the onboarding call link down below in the description and we'll email it over your way. And before you go, this sales call recording was great, but by the time you have a qualified business owner on a Zoom call, that's the easy part from there. It's a pretty easy sale with a free trial. The difficult part is getting a business owner to hop on a Zoom call with you. So if you want to see how I got my first 10 clients, watch this video right here. I think it'll be helpful for you and you'll get a lot of value from it.